as a hero. If you look inside your heart, you don't have to be afraid of what you are. There's an answer if you reach into your soul, and the soul that you know will melt away. And then I hear you comes along with the strength to carry on, and you cast your fear inside, and you know you can survive. So when you feel like hope is gone, look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth. Then I hear alive in you.